I'm going to show you how to use a rubric that you have already made to grade a paper or whatever kind of submission that a student has turned in. So you're going to go this time to your grade book. So you're already inside, and so go to grades. All right, so here we are with our grade book, and I did have somebody ask me, what I need my grades closer together, and I've got some things are kind of scattered because if you look, my grade book's kind of a mess too. And so what I wanted to show you is that if you needed to, you can drag and drop your assignments and move them in different places. All you have to do is just click. I'm just holding down on my mouse and just dragging and dropping and moving. So you can move your columns in different orders if you wanted to. I just wanted to show you that. All right, so I showed you in another video how to use SpeedGrader, but in case you were not certain, you just sit your mouse here next to this submission that this student has. Sit your mouse right here and click, and that allows you to have this little arrow right here. Click that little arrow, and you're going to go to your speed grader. Click speed grader. And now you can see the submission that your student turned in. So this is the project about dogs that the student did. And now let's look at the rubric. This is a rubric that you have already made. I showed in another video how to make a rubric. And so let's be like, oh, well, I can't see all the rubric. It's in the way. This is in the way. Fine. All right, look, there's a little space right here. We can move this over. All right. So title. Oh, look, the student put a title in here. Awesome. So we're going to click right here. Yes. And when you clicked right here, yes, the paper has a title, it gives you the 25 points over here. Awesome. You didn't have to do anything. Now, if you wanted to put a comment, like say, you did a great title. You did a great title. Good job, kid. You can do that if you want to. All right, now we're to the word art. Look, the kid did word art. See how it's orange and looks like that? So yes, the kid did word art. That's awesome. I'm going to do a little comment. I love the orange. Woohoo! All right. And then let's see, clip art. Yes, that student used some clip art. Beautiful. And then the student turned in the project on time. So punctual. All right, so 25 points. All right, save. All right, so when you hit that save, then it's got all the points on here for you. So let's make sure the points are up here in this box. Go ahead and give the student a 100. And that's going to change the dot up here to a check mark. So the student now has a 100 grade. Now I wanted to say, I had another teacher ask me about comments. Now notice we typed some comments right here. Yes, I love the title. Yes, I love the orange. But also you can write comments on assignments, and this is for any assignment. You can add comments that's like, Tamika, I'm so proud of you. You're doing great. Whatever you want to say, and you can send messages to your kids just to give them that extra va 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 boom, whatever it is. So anyway, just wanted to show you how to use a rubric to help you grade papers. I hope this was helpful. Email me or text me if you need anything else.